Click File, Open, go into your removable disk, Toolbox folder, and then find the Paths tool. Click and open the green lemon tube JPEG. This is a lemon that we're going to use as our demo. Find the Paths tool. It looks like a pen. And on the lemon's edge somewhere, click and click. Basically, this is a node, or it's sometimes called an anchor point. Every time you click, more nodes or anchor points are added to the edge of our shape. Now, it's important that if you want good accuracy and good result, that you put the anchor points close together. And it's also important that when you get to an area that has a complex shape, like right here, it's curvy, that you put anchor points close so that it fills the edges well. If you're lazy and you put anchor points too far apart, you can see that you'll end up clipping off parts of the shape. So that is not something we want to do. Basically, using these points or nodes, you really have to be patient to avoid cutting out things. Now, as I'm approaching the first node that I laid out, when you arrive back at the first node, you have to press Control and hold down the Control key before you click on that first node that you had put in. You'll notice as I press the Control key, you should be able to see those double rings, linked rings. See, right there. Click, and that basically joins our nodes all together. Now, we've made some mistakes. Oh, I made a mistake on purpose because I want to show you that you can actually change the position of these nodes after you have placed them. So, using your Control key again, press and hold down the Control key, and then click and drag. You see, I can drag that line, and when I hold down the Control key, you'll notice that that line will follow, or at least try to follow, the shape of this fruit. Okay, when I like the position, I let go of the Control key and I let go of the mouse, and you can see that there is now a new node here. I can also use these little squares, these fiddles, to further adjust things, and I can even click and drag a little bit more as well. Okay. Any node that you have as lines in between, you basically play around with the adjustments of them. And if I want to add another node here, press Control, click and drag. And then I've got a new node. These squares I can use to pull and drag a bit. Okay. So I want another node here, press Control, click, and pull. Control and pull. Okay, so you're going to have to experiment a lot with adding and changing the position of these nodes, but let's say you're happy with the nodes and where they are. The final thing that we have to do is we have to use these nodes to help us make a selection. So select the select menu, scroll down and click from path, or you can press Shift and V. That's the shortcut for selecting from path. And when I click that, you'll notice that now there are the marching ants around the edge of our fruit. Okay. Once that occurs, I'd like you to find and click the Move tool. As soon as you click it, all the nodes will disappear, and you're left with only marching ants surrounding them. Now you can go up to Edit and copy, or you can also go up to Color and adjust the hue. Okay, I can adjust the colors like we did the previous exercise, or I can edit, copy, and then I can open up another file from before. This is another file, and I can go edit and paste that onto the sky background. Okay. Once you've done something like this, if you wish to save it, just go File, Save As, and just add your last name and first name and save it in your USB drive somewhere so you have proof that you've finished this assignment.